The Korean subway network started its construction of line number 1 in 1971, which came in use from 1974. The Seoul Metropolitan Subway system consists of rapid transit, light metro, commuter rail, and people mover lines. In 2013, CNN rated Korean rail network as one of the world's best subway system. In Korea, mostly people prefer subway to other means of transportation as it is super easy and convenient. For subway, we can purchase ticket inside the station counter or we can use the T-Money smart payment system. The T-Money card should be touched in the gate for every entry and exit time. Today we are trying to demonstrate to travel from one station to another along with transfer of track. Now we are in line number 1, Guro station, and our destination is Yeouido Park, Yeoinaru station in line number 5. From the map, it is clear that we should travel 5 stations which will take 16 minutes with one transfer which is in single station. Before taking a train, be sure that whether the train coming to the lane is going to our target station or in opposite direction, which can be confirmed from map. Now we are starting from Guro station and will transfer the track in single station. Inside as well as outside the train, we can see many LCD screen and hear voice announcement about the upcoming train, stop, possible line transfer and similar information. Now coming out of the train in single station, we need to find a way towards line number 5. We should follow the directional signs. The information in the station is displayed in Korean, English and Hanja. Right now we are in single station of line number 5. Again, before entering inside train, let's be sure whether we are in correct lane or not. Yes, the next stop is Yeouido and our destination station is Yeoinaru, which is next to Yeouido station. Also we can be confirmed via screen. The first train is coming after 4 minutes, whose last station is Sangil-dong. Now we reach the destination station. We are going out from the left hand side door. After touching T-Money card in the station gate, we need to find exit gate, which is gate number 1. So let's follow the directional arrow to reach our destination.